Do you sometimes forget words when you try to speak English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners face this problem, but here is the good news. Today, I'm going to help you. In this video, I will share 10 simple tips that will help you remember words while speaking English. These tips will make speaking easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Think in English. Try not to translate from your language into English. When you translate, your brain needs more time to find the right words, but when you think directly in English, the words come much faster. So how can you practice this? Start with small and simple sentences. For example, when you see the sun, say in your mind, "The sun is bright." Practice doing this during the day. After some time, your brain will begin to think faster in English. Tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop speaking. Just explain it using easier words. For example, if you forget the word delicious, you can say very tasty. If you forget the word huge, you can say very big. Using simple words helps you continue speaking with confidence. Tip number 3. Speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them regularly. Speak as much as you can. You can talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or even record your voice. If you don't have someone to practice with, stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes. Choose a topic like, "What did I do today?" Speak slowly and clearly. The more you speak, the easier it will be to remember words. Tip number 4. Learn words in sentences. Don't just memorize single words. Learn how to use them in sentences. For example, instead of learning only the word beautiful, learn a sentence like, "The sky is beautiful today." When you remember full sentences, speaking becomes much easier. Tip number 5. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a great tool for learning new vocabulary. Write the English word on one side of the card. On the other side, write the meaning or draw a small picture. Review your flashcards for 5 minutes every day. This small daily habit can help you remember new words much faster. Tip number 6. Watch and listen in English. Your brain learns faster when it hears English every day. Watch English videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or songs. When you hear the same words many times, your brain begins to remember them naturally. This will make speaking much easier. Tip number 7. Repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once. Say it out loud several times. Try using it in different sentences. For example, if you learn the word exciting, you can say, "This movie is exciting." "My day was exciting." Learning English is exciting. Repeating and using new words helps your brain remember them longer. Tip number 8. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath and try to explain it in another way. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you could say, "It's something we use when it rains." People will still understand you. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about communication. Tip number 9. Write more often. Writing can also help you remember vocabulary. Keep a small notebook and write one sentence every day. You can write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. Writing helps your brain organize words, which makes speaking easier later. Tip number 10. Connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. When you see an object, say its name in English. When you see an apple, say apple. When you see a chair, say chair. This simple habit helps your brain learn and remember words quickly. So these are 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. Practice them every day, and little by little your English will improve. Now I have a question for you. Do you sometimes forget words when you speak English? Tell me in the comments. I would love to help you. Also, tell me which tip you liked the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English tips. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.